In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Seeking Alpha data. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pull your portfolio information into an Excel file for clean, offline analysis, whether you're tracking performance, running custom calculations, or sharing a snapshot with your advisor. First, log into your Seeking Alpha account. Make sure you're on the official site and signed in to the correct profile where your portfolio is stored. A stable internet connection and an up-to-date browser will help the export go smoothly. If you use browser extensions that modify pages, consider pausing them temporarily so all interface elements display correctly. Once you're signed in, head to your portfolio page. You'll usually find Portfolio in the main navigation at the top of the site. Click it to open your holdings view. If you manage more than one portfolio within your account, select the specific one you want to export so the data reflects the exact set of positions you intend to analyze. Next, look for the Download or Export option. This is typically located at the top right of your portfolio view. Depending on your layout, it might appear as a button labeled Download or Export, a downward arrow icon, or inside a menu such as More or a three-dot menu. Take a moment to scan that upper right area. The control is usually easy to spot once you're on the correct page and viewing your holdings. When you click the Download or Export option, Seeking Alpha will generate an Excel file in .xlsx format. Your browser may ask where to save it, or it might place it in your default Downloads folder. If prompted, choose a clear file name and a location you'll remember. The export captures a snapshot of your portfolio at that moment, often including details like ticker symbols, quantities, prices, and market values. Keep in mind that it won't update automatically, so if your positions change later, you'll want to repeat the export to capture a newer snapshot. Open the downloaded .xlsx file in Excel to begin your offline analysis. From there, you can sort by performance, filter by sectors, add your own formulas, or create custom charts and pivot tables. If you plan to share the file, review it for any information you prefer to keep private and store it securely. To recap, sign in to Seeking Alpha. Open your portfolio page, find the Download or Export option at the top right, and save the .xlsx file. That's all you need to reliably export your Seeking Alpha portfolio data for deeper, flexible analysis in Excel.